everyone.
Good
Welcome
afternoon.
to CMBD Scrum. Today I will be chairing this meeting together with Katendi as the secretary. First of all, we're going to discuss about the partner transformation campaign, starting from the Bukit Vista Sea Talks, I guess. Since the person in charge is Kasa, do you have any updates regarding this Sea Talk? If you would.
Okay, yep. Actually, just a little bit updates. You can scroll it down. Yes, that's the update that we have actually conducted PPC Talk 22nd on July 29 and have invited PIC from Jogja Interior to our Facebook group. And we are still on progress to give 5-star GMB review to another committee experts, and we will also ask for review from Tree Upcycle during our CNE talk 2 weeks ago. And currently the friction is that the email account still cannot give review to stakeholders, ya, Kak Tendi. So we are going to discuss about it first regarding the root cause of this, and if we can find the solution, then we'll immediately contact Google in this case. Maybe this the update from me, Andreas. Back to you.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Kasa. Maybe for the other BD member, do you have any comments regarding the updates that Kasa has put to the card? Starting from Katendi. Okay, I see you.
Okay, Asa, may I know? I think this is very interesting, yeah. So for the Jogja interior, because when I do the property quality control, like to Bingan Omba as well, the owner is asking like for some recommendation to make their room is more like interesting, right? Uh, have you talked with the siapa nama? Who is the name of the ADS Jogjanya? The ownernya?
Oh, ada sendiri is Mbak Viva.
Mbak Viva,
Yeah, the
do
same
we
owner as dalam Binarak.
yeah like do we have like a free consultation
Yes.
like for the just for the like a sharing session, so the owner can get some what's called suggestion for their room like that.
Yes. Actually, when we have signed the MOU, then
Mhm.
the committee expert have to give us 5 free consultations to 5 partners in this case. So we can schedule it if we want
Hmm.
to. Just let me know, then we will schedule the meeting then.
I see. Okay, then so consultation that is already on the contract.
Yep, on the
Okay,
MOU.
okay, got it. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Asa.
Okay, thank you, Katendi. As for the rest of the BD team, do you the BD team, the CM team, do you want to give your commentary? Maybe from Felicia? Oh no. Okay, I think we can already conclude from this card. Wait, Katendi, do you have written the conclusion about the update?
Yes, on progress.
Okay, Kak, thank you. While we're waiting for Katendi to write the commentary, maybe we can continue to the other card.
Actually, Andres, can I have a question for C Talk for Asa then?
Oh yeah, okay. Sorry.
Yes, just a quick question. Maybe Asa, so far, like what are the incentives that we can get from our C Talks? Is it just access or is there like a special discounts for our partner if we have signed an MOU?
Actually, we don't really have that kind of benefits or incentives to our partners, but it's more like to expand our market because the actual purpose of this talk is to gain market
Backlink.
exchange. Yeah,
Yeah, I
from
see.
another kind. But yeah,
Yeah, maybe just throwing it out. Like, is it possible for us to get such benefits? Because if so, then let's say BD during their meeting with our potential partner, they can like put this kind of thing as incentives for potential partner. Okay, becoming partner with Bukit Vista, if you have if you need any services, you can get an additional discount. Just like YouTuber, they put like this kind of referral code in Skillshare or maybe like anything else. So do you guys think it will work, BD team? Is it a good idea like to have like community talk, C talk to have this kind of thing?
Yes, could be Vidi. But actually, I need to like dig more see about these talks and what kind of another parties that we are actually targeting to be partnership juga. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. Probably I will have sub discussion with Asa ya to actually getting know more about this talk aja. Thank you, Vidi.
Okay, so thank you, Kanadin and Kavidi. So, Katendi, for the conclusion, I think for Kanadin to have some discussion with Kasa regarding this topic, yeah. And do anyone have any other question before we're moving on to the next card? Three,
Nope.
2, 1. Okay. So then I think we'll continue to online canvassing campaign. Okay, back to Kasa again. Any update? And maybe the friction in the next section.
Okay, actually, we have tried to bring the the insights from Airtable to Discord. You can scroll down for a little bit. Yeah, so this is the final update for July. But as you can see here, we can we can't actually record all the data here because some of them are not updated to Airtable. Is that correct, Andreas? Yeah.
Okay, so as for this data, while I can assure you that most of the first approach and first meeting is almost updated, but the MQL and but for the pitching and for the MOU, it is not really updated yet because you can already see who's laughing right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, I won't press it into further. But currently, we are doing should we say keroyokan lah to make this data complete. I think that's about it for the pitching and MOU side. Back to you, Kasa, if you have any more update.
Yeah, I do really hope that this data can be updated. Can be updated before next week because this is already August and we have got limited automation, yeah, Andreas, in our Airtable. So if it's possible to make it faster, so we can update it and we can get more accurate data regarding to this.
Yes. For the pitching and MOU, the ones in charge should just change the card and modify the schedule, modify the date if necessary, and there's no need to create much information left, so it should be faster.
Yep. Okay, maybe that's it then.
Maybe from the BD team would like to have a commentary regarding this update from Kasa.
Actually, we've got some discussions that can be discussed on later on online canvassing Scrum.
Oh, okay. So maybe as for the calculation, to further topic regarding this online canvassing will be discussed further in the online canvassing Scrum, ya, Kak, ya?
Yep, and to update the data before next week, if it's possible.
Okay. Sure. I think that is the conclusion for this one. Does anyone else have any have any commentary for this card before we are moving on to the next card?
No.
I'm sorry because I can only see your face and now I can only see 5 faces over here. So basically you are my cue for moving to the next card. Okay. So I think there is no further question and we can move on to the next card. I think this online canvassing is quite fast because there is also online canvassing Scrum, yeah. Next is the property quality control by Kak Tendi. Kak Tendi, if you would, I'll offer the floor to you.
Okay, thank you, Andreas. So the update is last week. I've got one property inspected by Asa. That's Komala. And then
Wait, can anybody hear Tendi? I can hear Tendi.
I can hear it.
I can
I
put
can.
from my side.
I can or not?
Can.
Yeah.
Refresh more.
Okay, I will refresh mine then.
Yeah. So since last week I more focused on the implementation for the recommendation 2 weeks ago with Villa Bahagia, Bambuzen, and also Blue Apsara. So the currently the total property we have been expect is 81 property, and then 73 has been implemented, and then 36 positive review from the guests, and then also for the referral there is no new referral yet from the partner, and then got satisfied feedback from the staff Villa Bahagia after property quality control using the recommendation chemical. Actually, I would like to make a video with the staff for the that experience to show the other staff as well. And then last week on Saturday, we make community sharing session with NH resident in Arhil and also Drua Villa. And then they also give the positive feedback for this program, especially Pak Freddy from NH residents, because the staff the what's called the staff is not from the hospitality or the hospitality industry before, and then they just know about cleaning, but they don't have much experience on the standard how to clean it. So this program very helpful for improve the quality of the property, also the cleanliness standard. The friction currently is more commitment from the other partner manager to implement this program for each region, because currently I'm not inspect all the region again, so I had delegate the this inspection online inspection to the partner manager. So currently I only focusing on the region one, but I still monitor for the other region. And then my next action plan is coordinate and monitor more with the each partner manager to inspect the property on its region. And I will finish the cleanliness guidebook for this Friday for the staff. Back to Andreas. Oh yeah, also I attached some picture actually there. The on the attachment, Andreas.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, the second one, the third one first. Yeah, that's actually the what I found in on the field. So that's like crash, a air, like on the bowl, and then after using the chemical, maybe for the second picture. Yeah, that's the second picture. That's clean now. So they actually improving the standard and also the quality of the property. Yeah, back to
Oh, that's interesting, Kak. Uh, so yeah, I think I would like to congratulate you for this and the video with the staff for the experience. I think we can use this for the community experience, ya, Kak, ya?
yeah.
In the social media for the social media posts. Okay. And for the rest of the CM team, maybe do you have okay? Who is it? I don't know. I don't know who
Oh,
is.
Lisa.
it's me, it's me. So Kak, for the video, like,
Hmm.
what will the video be like? Is it about the chemical or like how to clean?
Basically, the first about the experience, like about the what's called how the staff feel when Bukit Vista team come to inspect the property and then give the suggestion and everything, and then I will let the staff talking about what's called the transformation, like the previous condition, and after all the suggestion everything, and then tell about the what's called after condition, like that. So but for the how to cleaning, how to clean it, I will put it on the guidebook, Felisa.
Oh, okay. So the video is more about like testimonials, right?
Yeah, the
Like,
experience. Yeah.
okay. When do you plan to like post this?
Yeah, actually, for post, actually, I would like to make it first the video. I will check the availability of the villa first, if there's available and the staff also available, maybe by this week, and then paling lambat next week lah.
Okay. So just coordinate with me if you want to like post it on like Facebook group
Siap.
or page. Okay. That's all from me. Thank
Yeah.
you. Back to you, Andreas.
Okay, Felicia, thank you. So maybe for Katendi, you can also edit the next action plan.
Yeah.
To coordinate with Felicia about the posting of this on Facebook group, ya, Kak, ya?
Yes.
And also, please specify on the deadline. Is it this week or is it next week? Okay. Thank you, Felicia. Is there anyone else from the CM or maybe from the BD and I forgot which one is it. Oh yeah, and the new intern and maybe Kafiti also. Do you have any feedback or comment? If so, please open mic because yeah, I cannot see the chat.
Kak Tandy, actually, I want to clarify.
Yes.
Is the checklist for property quality control is actually the same like when we onboard partners?
For the inspection.
Yep.
Yes, it's same. For inspect the quality.
Okay, so it's the same, yeah. No differences between when we onboard partners or when we do the quality control.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe just a little, I don't know, little question just regarding the bed sheet. I'm just curious. Is it supposed to be white, or do we need to? We can have another kind of color for the bed sheet.
For the bed sheet. Yeah, because actually the standard is white, but the quality is need to be clean. There is no stain or spot. That's the important. But I think the color, the standard color is white, but it can be other color. But make sure there is no stain or spotting on the bed sheet, because the focus is
Okay.
the cleanliness.
Oh, okay, okay. Because when I do online inspection for
Yeah.
Kamala Kids House, they don't have white sheet, bed sheet, and then I was just curious whether I should ask them to buy white bed sheet or just
Yeah.
use the one they have.
I think for the color of the sheet, you can just giving the recommendation for using the white, because will make the room more like a cleaner like that. Yeah, because that's the kind of actually the standard for the.
But as long as we have passed the 80 score, then it's fine then.
Yeah, but we can just give the recommendation if they want to use it. That will be great.
Okay, thank you, Kak Tandy.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Kaasa, for the question. Should we record the conclusion for that or not? Yeah, for
I
yes,
will
for
record
so.
it.
Okay, thank you, Tandy. So basically, if the score has reached 80, we should just only recommend them to use white sheet. But no matter the score is, it is important to just recommend it because from Tandy perspective, white sheet is cleaner from appearance value. Okay, thank you, Kaasa. I think there is no more question. Okay, thank you, Felicia. Yeah, you're the cue for me for now. And next, we're going to move to social media engagement. So this is by Felicia. I'll offer the floor to you.
Okay, thank you, Andrea. So for last week update, you can check the statistic there. I've attached the screenshot. So last week we have, yeah, the latest one. Maybe you could, oh yeah, this one. If you see like our engagement is dropping, it's because we've been posting more recently, and as we all know, our members, our community members, they just don't really like to interact with our posts. So I'm working on that by trying to have other admins posting for next week and for August in general. But yeah, overall, we have more and more active members on our Facebook group. Last week we have 60, so that's good because in total we have like 69 members. So almost all of them opened our group last week. And then I have also tidied the planner, and then previously I planned the content at the beginning of the month, and so I scheduled every post like for the whole month. But now that we have content writer sync up, I'm planning to like have weekly schedule instead, so I will update it weekly. So yeah, it will be more synchronized with contents from cross chapters. And for the action plan, this week I will be editing video for online hosting explanation from HAR. And then for this week, we will have Kak Ros and Kak Tandy to post on our Facebook group. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Felicia. First of all, wait, is there Karos in here?
Ross is still on the way to Bali. Yeah.
I see, I see. Maybe for Katendi, do you accept the delegations from Felicia?
Yeah, maybe I would like to make it clear first, Felicia. So, You said edit video for online hosting explanation from HCR and then online hosting explanation from me.
So I edit the whole thing and then I will send the materials to you and then you will post it like from your account.
Oh,
Yeah.
you mean the yang result video finishnya gitu maksudnya yang udah jadi.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
I see. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I accept the delegation.
Mantul kak. Also for Felicia, you said that you want to plan contents weekly. Yeah? Is it starting this week? And can we see the result next week then?
Yes.
Okay, sure. I guess that's it. Maybe for the CM, and maybe for the rest, do you have any questions or commentary regarding Felicia's card? All good dari Kasa. Okay. I assume there is no more further question. And for the conclusion, thank you, Katani, for writing the conclusion as well. Since there is there is not no Kak Ros over here, maybe Felicia can tell Kak Ros asynchronously for the delegations for the BV newspaper and update if she wants to accept it or not, and please explain about the detail of the delegation also. Okay, that's it for Felicia's card. I think, since there is no further question, we will move on to the next card, which is to renew partner contract by Om Rafiq. But there is no Om Rafiq over here. So, how about it, Kak? Tandy? What should we do?
Okay, so yeah, maybe I will have to read just read the update.
Okay,
of
thank you,
Rafiq,
Kak.
yeah. So so far the Rafiq got 2 partners and sent to extending the contract. That's Trita Canggu Switch and in Kampung Jimba. Also the total partner renewing the contract until yesterday is up to 1%, and then the data is there also. Also, there is no fiction from Rafiq, and the action plan from Rafiq is updating and finishing contract update in Jogja area together with Asa and Ros. That the deadline is second week of this month, and then contacting foreign owner Asmara, Bening, Lot 3, Lot 6 for extending the contract. That's it.
This is interesting, Kak, because I want to actually know more about this. So, about extending the contract,
Yeah.
we do this in bigger or
So for the extend contract, we use apa sih? Eversign. We use Eversign, and then actually the result of the extend contract on here, I think. Yeah, on the Google Sheet.
I'm sorry, what?
On the I think the result of the extend contract is on the Eversign. But I think it should be the contract is attached on the PRM.
So you have separate Google Sheets for this.
For the Google Sheet, that's for the update of the status, just to see the status of the partner.
Maksudnya ngelihat status overall for you as a organizer gitu.
Yeah.
I see. Any chance you could, I'm sorry, integrate this to, you know what? Airtable?
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, but there is no hurry because the data is not completed yet. But maybe that is a recommendation from me, so we don't have to use many application at once.
Yeah, I think it can be also put if possible to Airtable for the status of the contract. Which one is net to extend, which one is already extend, and then like expired or something.
Yeah. So yeah, maybe we can use it something like this, Kaya. Like in the partnership list journey.
Yeah.
Like for example, we use this one to like change the card. Maybe you want to extend. Maybe you want to something like that. But as for the further elaboration, I think we can talk about it later lah.
Yeah.
Maybe with Bella sih sebenarnya, because Bella is the PIC for the CM related of Airtable.
Yeah.
Wait. Wrong side. Okay. This one. Okay then. So thank you Kak Tendi for explaining Om Rafiq's card. Do anyone else have further questions for the card, or can we continue with another card now?
All good.
All good, thank you. So that's it for Om Rafiq card. We move on to the last card actually from Partner Transformation Campaign, which is Partner Satisfaction Survey. This is, no person in charge. Which one of you would
Oh,
like to speak regarding this?
maybe Ross, right?
Oh, you're right. Person in charge of us. Kateni, do you want to explain this card?
Okay, yeah, I think Ross is already updated as well. Last week performance is has held interview with four partner for Region 1 and Region 4. So we do the CSS, the community sharing session, and then get four actionable delivery point from the three partner. Also, Ross has talked with BI team about who will come to CSS in every region. So when there is a community sharing session, there is also a BI team that in charge for the each region. And then also Andre and Ross has record the video online hosting, and then we'll post on the Facebook. I think the last video it's still on the Jogja base, but currently I think there is only Jing, so maybe Ross need to contact Jing to send it to the Google Drive because it's still on the Mac like on the MacBook on the Jogja. And then also the update for the property guidebook and also Jogja CSS video. I will finish it by this week. And then also the friction is, please tell us about friction CSS plan in region 2 and 3, Asa and Om Rafiq, the friction. And also still difficult to editing CSS video record. The capacity is too large and then must be converted to MP4 first. That's why the video still not yet uploaded on YouTube. The action plan by Ross for this week is holding the community sharing session, PSS interview according the schedule for each region, especially region 2 and 3. And then also continue to coordinate with CM team related to chapter to implement the ideas and requests. Also, Ross will make the CSS journal and partner education session guideline paper on this week. Okay, back to Andreas.
Thank you, Kateni. So this is hard here because Carlos is not here, but there is a lot of information to be gained in this update. Maybe starting from Felicia, please don't forget to help Andre and Carlos on editing the online hosting, yeah. And then for Kaasa and Om Rafiq, about the friction in CSS plan, where do you plan on telling Carlos? Over here? Or
Actually, the friction is just that the owners are busy, so they can't attend CSS.
oh, so in conclusion, the owners are busy. Okay. So where do you plan on telling Carlos about that? Here?
Yep, I will tell. Yep.
Okay,
On the
please don't
server.
forget to input your comment, and I think that's about it. Oh yeah, Kasa, tell Om Rafiq juga ya, since Om Rafiq is not here, to tell about the friction in CSS Plan Region 2 and 3. And yes, it's sad because Karos can explain more about the actionable plan, but maybe Karos can tell about it later. And for the rest of the members over here, do you have any questions? Nope. Okay, if there is no more further question, I think. Oh yeah, Kasa. Okay. Oh wait, Katendi. Okay. Yeah, Kasa. Don't forget to write that. And I think we are done on the partner transformation campaigns. So the next plan should be to discuss about each member cards. Yeah, Katendi, is that right?
Oh yes, that's correct, Andreas.
Which one should we start with? Maybe from Katendi first.
Yeah, I think
For
for
this
my
card, do you have
for
anything to add?
Yeah, for my card, there's update on the Bifigo user adoption. So last week when I do the community sharing session, the owner of Drua said that Bifigo is already online on the app store, but I don't get that information yet from the PD team. So I didn't know that the Bifigo has online on the app store, but the owner from Drua informed me, so I know, and then he already installed it, and then I asked Nadia about that, and then Nadia said that's already online, but there is some still some issue with the update for the login. So I think that's already available on the app store, but it's not fully ready for the partner like that.
Oh, that's interesting, okay. So there is a clash with Google and Apple. Eh?
Yeah, I think it's more difficult on the Apple.
Oh, I see, I see. Okay, so anyone have questions or commentary or maybe even solution? Uh, anyone? Yeah, I think there's none. Okay, thank you, Katendi, for the updates on Bifigo user adoption. Do you have any more updates on your part?
Okay, for the partner transformation update, the second one. So when I had mapping the data actually, but I think I need to discuss with VD and Lilis because we have changed the structure VD for the milestone, and then now so far I got the data for the no alignment to transaction alignment. There are 4 partner transform, and then from transactional alignment to relationship alignment there are 6 transform, and then from relationship to legacy that's 16 partner transform.
Oh, Katendi, do you actually have the details for the data regarding this partner transformation?
Okay, that's on the documentation on the partner transformation.
This one?
Yeah.
Let me see. Ah, okay, okay. I see, I see, I see.
On the
On this
July.
one, like
Yeah.
July
Milestone.
quality or milestone?
Milestone.
Milestone. Ah, I see, I see, I see. Oh, that's cool.
The result paling kanan, summary-nya paling kanan ya. Summary.
Oh,
Table
okay.
yang di table kanan.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. All right. Thank you, Katendi. Maybe for the rest of the member?
Yes, I
Any
have a question
Okay,
for
sure.
Katendi. From this transformation, Katendi,
Yeah.
are there any partners that degrades? Any partner relationship that degrades, like from legacy to relationship or relationship to transaction, something like that?
The grade tuh turun ya.
Yeah.
I think just for the quality, but I will make the data of the which partner that kayak meningkat sama menurun gitu ya
Okay.
Vidya. Jadi
Yep, yep,
so
yep.
far itu transformation for the stage,
Yep.
but the summary for the quality itu aku need analysis more itu buat datanya.
Yep, I see. And we have a lot of partner transform from relationship to legacy this month, yeah.
Yeah,
Last month, I mean.
because the
Why
change
do you think?
structure-nya.
Oh, because of the change of structure. Which particular structure that is changed?
Yeah, previously on the last month ya, last month for the partner that will what's called next step up to the legacy, they need to give the referral VD.
Yes.
They need to give referral, but I discussed with Lilis. That's actually like a blocking wall like that because that's all. Not all the property partner have the referral, right?
I see.
Because they sometimes they stay in America or something, so they don't know the property on there, so they cannot give the referral. But we had moved one indicator that's community sharing, like a vlog, organic post, or the partner speaker, like a talk speaker, like a the partner sharing their experience, everything, and then also like posting something that helpful for the other partner. That's we count that as what's called legacy from the partner because they want to share their experience, their skill like that. So we put that on the legacy indicator like that, PD.
Okay. So in general, it's because the qualification is easier right now, right? So that's why there are more partners going
Yeah.
from relationship to legacy. Okay, thank you, Kak.
Okay, thank you, Kak Tendi, for answering Kak Vidi's question. I think it's clear, yeah. Easier qualification on legacy. Okay, okay. Maybe anyone else have any question? I think there's not, and we can move on to another person's card. Maybe Kak Asa, do you have any updates for your card?
Okay, for me, maybe the GMB optimization. Scroll down a little bit. Yep, so we have gained four more reviews from those property partners, and then I've also made the monthly monitoring for July, and there we have the overall stat is decreasing because I think it's due to PPKM implementation, so people are not really looking for property management and stuff, and the friction is still the same with the BVC talk because we still can give reviews to stakeholders. And the next action plan is to coordinate further with Mas Rizal because this will be delegated back to Mas Rizal for the content planning and the strategy for August. And also contact Google in this case because it's been like 2 weeks, I think, that we can't give review to another stakeholders. And this week I will gain 3 reviews from Region 3 owners. That's from me, Andreas.
Okay, I see that Kalilis is also having problem, yeah, about the reply on GMB. How long do you think you can solve? How long do you think you need to solve this problem, Kasa?
I think this should be done by this week, see, because it's pretty important.
I see. Okay, maybe you could, yeah, don't forget to write about it if about the deadline this week. And okay, okay,
Andreas?
Katendi, thank you.
Yeah.
I'll offer the call to you.
Okay, thank you. To Asa. So I saw the table on your update. So about the engagement, total engagement on July, I saw most of the result is minus. So and then the total engagement also decrease decreasing 46.6%. So what do you think the issue? Why our engagement is lower than June, Asa?
Okay, actually, this is kind of interesting because on July we have increased the post into thrice a week for the main account and also twice a week for the Canggu and Jogja. And we have also tried to integrate the posts that we have from our content writers sync up. And actually, we've gained more clicks then, but I don't know why. I think this is because due to PPKM, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, this is for the engagement is decreasing for this month.
I see. And then what is your next plan for August, Asa?
It should be Mas Rizal's part, Kak Tendi.
I see. So okay. So can you coordinate with Rizal and then
Yes.
give back the result? Yeah.
Yep, yep.
Okay. Thank you, Asa.
Okay.
GMB.
Oh, there is actually something like that already, Katendi. Over here, maybe. Create content planning and design strategy for August, and already tag for Karizal. Is it this one, Kasa? Okay, so already, yeah. Anyone else have any questions? Okay, I think we need to go fast because there's only 13 minutes left. Yeah. Okay, since there is no Karos, we can just continue to Felicia. Felicia, it's regarding your card.
Okay, so I have finished all of the milestones on the job training initiative. I just need to find how to execute this program. So maybe create a pivot from that. That's all of the updates that I have. Thank you. Maybe from Katendi, do you have any insights about this? Because we've created pretty much the proposal and then the syllabus. We just need the handbook.
Okay, thank you, Felisa. Yeah, I think for because there is still PPKM right now,
Yeah.
and actually in Bali today is the last day actually because there is no further information about the extending the PPKM, I think we can start to execute maybe from next week to find one or two student for training. But for the execution, if the proposal is finished, because my sister have the what's called the relation with the SMK 3 Denpasar. So I think
Mhm.
I had tell this before with her, and then he said if the proposal is ready, she will have to contact the school and then asking the what's called the kepala bagian penanggung jawab training itu loh, apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Ah,
Yeah, like
okay.
the PIC of the on the job training like that. And then but we need to check also the schedule for the training for the sekolah for the school, because they have like a 3 month period, right? We need to
Yeah, yeah.
know, is this like the August is the starting period, or this is still like a middle period, or this is like an end period like that. So we need to know the schedule of the training itself first.
Okay, okay. Then I will privately contact you regarding this,
Yeah,
okay? Yeah,
sure.
okay. Back to you, Andreas. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Felicia. So maybe you would like to have a sub discussion about Katendi about this, yeah. And also maybe and for all of us, maybe we would like to wait for the updated information regarding PPKM, yeah, because yeah, who knows, the worst case possible, maybe the PPKM will continue again. But if it's not, then it's good news for us, especially Felicia, for the job training. Okay, so thank you, Felicia. Does anyone else have any other questions? Or Felicia, do you have any updates for the different card aside from this one? Oh, none ya. Ini aja ya. Okay. I guess no one want to ask a question. So that's it for Felicia as well. Oh, thank you, Katendi, for writing the conclusion. And that's it for the update from CM, yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Now do we move on to the BD guy?
Yes.
Okay, starting from BD. Maybe for Mokwayana, from Mokwayana first. Do you have any updates?
Do you mean the update regarding the SLA or
Uh, huh.
what kind of update?
I guess for the card first then.
Your private card more.
Oh, okay. For my card, I don't have updates on that card because are we still using the latest pitch deck that we have? So no any much change in there.
Okay. Still using the same piece deck, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then. Do we actually need to give update regarding the SLA? Mok and Nadine? Or can we just give update for the pivot card only?
Actually, I'm wondering about that as well. So now in the transition, like I'm a bit confused. Where do I update the SLA now? Normally, I update it on the marketing. So for the update in TM, should we move the card from marketing to here? And I want about to ask about that, Mr. Shah.
Okay. Nice. How about it, Katendi?
Yeah, actually, the SLA. So sorry. So the top funnel is from marketing, right? Marketing, and then BD get the leads. Or like usually when you give an update on the marketing, what is mostly your update? When?
My update is about like how many pitching that
Hmm?
we do. So first meeting from Nadine,
Hmm?
first meeting to pitching, and then from me, from pitching to MOU.
So
So
starting from the leads, right?
from
Or the canvassing.
the lead, from the pitching, from Nadine, and from for the awareness in the marketing. Yeah, so that's why a bit.
Oh yeah. I think for the
Oh, I
awareness,
think I see a point.
yeah, I think for the awareness, you can still give update on the marketing work. And then I think on CM, because on CM we need the what's called the update like of that related to DCM as well, like how many what's called leads convert to the partner, then CM will know, oh, there is 3 new partner, like that. So I think in CM we just need that information.
I think I actually see Mokoena problem, yeah. So maybe if, since Kaasa is on charge for the online canvassing campaign, and usually Kaasa is the one to update this one, the final update, and this is actually not contact. It should be leads now.
Yeah, should be
And
lead.
from leads to MOU, maybe Kaasa from now would like to always coordinate with Mokoena and Nadine for the updated data. So apa?
That one is only for online canvassing, but the one that updated is like the
Offline.
entire
Oh,
campaign.
Oh, I see.
Entire campaign.
overall gitu ya.
So,
Uh,
so
include
actually
like
we need a special card for SLA.
I think you can
Yeah.
put it on the campaign, Bo. Campaign card for the overall update-nya. Partner transformation campaign itu. Tambahin satu lagi, itu kan online canvassing, terus nanti Mbok misal tambahin di sana satu card.
I think we will create a sub discussion aja dulu ya Kak Tendi.
Boleh.
Alright, Canadian sub discussion with who?
With Tendi and Lilis probably ya.
Ya, Tendi, Lilis, Swaina, and Nadine. Okay, I will put on the conclusion ya. Di card-nya Mbok Wayan ya.
Thank you, Kak Tendi. I think
Yeah,
that's about it ya,
because
Kak.
I already mentioned also Lily.
Mok, I think. Oh, okay. You're freezing for a second there. So, okay, I think that's it for Mokoena, okay? Your problem already solved?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, great. And now moving on to Kanadin. Kanadin, do you have any updates regarding your pivot card?
Okay, thank you, Andre. Actually, I haven't written the update, but I do have the update. Just got the update this morning. So the Nusa Dua Bali Bayview party, they just get back to me, and we agreed to set a meeting next Monday. So before the meeting, I would like to have a discussion with BI. And also the community team to discuss the future projections on this property, because they have around hundreds room of apartment and 34 units of villas in this the Bali Bayview. So, yeah, we need to create. Basically, I need to discuss this with BI as well to create a very good pitch deck later for the next Monday on the meeting with the director of the Bali Bayview Villa complex. That's pretty much it, Andre. The update is I got the schedule finally.
You got the schedule, and I think you said about also want to have a sub discussion with
BI, yes.
Okay. That's it for Katendi. Don't forget to write it, okay?
Who would want to have meeting? BI siapa?
Lilis and Vidi.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
And also the BD team.
And also the BD team.
Okay.
Okay. Also, a personal message for Kanadin from me. Don't forget, Kak, about the new B2B that have 6 villa.
The latest update is they not interested, Andre.
Oh, they're not
So sorry
interested.
for that.
Okay. Well, that's too bad then. I wonder if it's because of me. Yeah. Okay. Don't forget to update it, Kak. Soalnya I think it's not been updated yet. Next is from there's still a lot, yeah. From Andreas, Cristabel, Kaila. Do you guys mind if we extend this by 10 minutes?
If there is no further meeting, usually it's our using.
Oh, there is one more meeting starting
Actually,
from.
I have first meeting invited by Oki. I need to go.
Yeah, no worries, Mo.
I need to go as well, Katanya.
Me too, guys.
For awareness
Thank
meeting.
you so much.
But so maybe quick updates for the all three of us, yeah. For Kyla and Christabel, please do it fast also. And for me, as for their table, I think for the BD and the Canvasser, it should be pretty much clear because I have informed on them, but I haven't inputted the data over at the comment section yet. But basically, what I've done so far is I have edited the framework for the opportunity and the partnership leads journey to make it easier for the both canvasser opportunity. However, there is a friction regarding the overall bad quality of data in the list countdown board from the existing Trello back then. So I think the next action plan for me, maybe I will write it over here later, is to create the documentation because the framework is 100% completed, and then to also edit the overall workflow of the online canvassing, and then to push the BD team and the rest of the member that does other campaign aside from online canvassing to also input their data in the opportunity table. I think that's it for my update. I will update the project update later in the comments. And yeah, this is also ongoing, but it's not really important. Next is for Christabel. Do you have any more updates?
I'm gonna be having a pairing with Kanadin for the sneak peek, so I'll update again later. No update.
Okay, Christabel, I think we need to discuss later about the approaching flow, yeah, because I'm also working for the maybe we can discuss it together. And thank you, Christabel. Also, next and last but not least, Kyla, do you have any more updates?
Thank you, Andre. I already written on the card.
I'm sorry, pardon?
Kyla
Kyla?
don't have any updates.
Oh, Kyla don't have any updates. Okay. Sorry. So I guess that's it for the pivot card. Is Kalilis here?
Nope.
Kalilis not here. Okay. So I think we're done on the pivot card, and with that, I think we're also done on the Scrum today, ya Katendi. Okay. Thank you everyone for attending this Scrum. It's good that